Today I am making dinner. Okay, I added the jalapenos and the onions. Asha is mixing the corn like a queen. Hi. Shred this ched if you will. And they've been flipped. Hello and welcome to Quarantine Diaries with Alina and Mummy, who's over there.
Oh, what you want about?
Come here. And Mummy. Hi. Today I am making dinner. So I'm making homemade taquitos since we like the ones from Trader Joe's. And I'm also making Mexican street corn. So here we go. Okay, first we need to chop an onion for the taquitos. So here we go. Okay, now the onions are cut. Hi, Mommy.
Hi.
Daddy's making something. Okay, now it's time for the beans. We're gonna put some cream cheese in. Okay, I added the jalapenos and the onions and the cream cheese, and now we mix. Okay, now we're all mixed up. And that's gonna be the filling. All right, so now we're going to warm these up. It says like 6 at a time. So we're gonna stack them on a plate with the moist towel. Ta-da! Okay, now we have a moist paper towel that we have to cover these with, I think. It says cover with the moist paper towel. Okay, so we're gonna cover it like this. Sure. Yeah. And then we're gonna microwave it, so hopefully the paper doesn't burn. Well, okay. We'll see. All right, we're back again. These are really good. Asha made a favorite point. You gotta do the warm stuff when we're about to eat. So we're gonna make the corn now.
Woohoo! I did something productive.
Remember when this used to be the wall? Now I can't do a real wall.
Okay, you'll get better.
Okay, I'm trying. I'll make corn.
Let's make corn.
This is Jane and Didi's recipe, so.
Thank you, Jaina Didi.
Actually.
Love you, Queen. Can I have a chip with this taquito?
Yes, of course.
God bless.
Okay, here's the recipe.
Couldn't really see it.
That's sad. Okay, what we need is, okay, we have 1 bag of frozen corn, which we have right here. Oh, I shouldn't have put my phone there.
Woohoo! Okay.
Okay, so first we're gonna heat oil and let the frozen cook char.
What?
Asha is mixing the corn like a queen. Like the queen she is. Look at that mixing skill.
They're not really charred yet, but you know, we're gonna
They'll
keep
be charred
going
in a
until
little
they're
bit.
charred.
You have to mix for like 8 minutes maybe.
That's okay.
Look at that corn. She's glistening.
She is.
Yes. Time to shred this cheddar. Shred this ched if you will.
You shred the shed.
I am shredding the ched. Here we go. Okay, my sous chef, my mother, is going to shred now. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, now I'm gonna make the mixture in this bowl. Cream cheese, lemon juice, jalapeno, it's not focus, onion, garlic. There she is. She was too salty before, so we added some more onions and jalapenos.
It's really good.
By Mommy's advice, you know. Time to make the taquitos. So now we're gonna do this while the cast iron heats up, and then we're gonna wrap them really tight.
We don't need cheese?
Oh right, that is one good idea. I think I overstuffed this one. We'll see how it works out.
And then you're gonna do them in the cast iron.
Yeah, then we do them in the cast iron. So we wrap really tightly. And so we're gonna keep them like this. And then we keep going. Wow, clean. Okay, the taquitos are sizzling in the pan in the cast iron. We're gonna do 6 at a time. So here's the first round, then we flip them.
Perfect.
And they've been flipped. They look good.
Period.
Now we feast, everyone. So there's the corn. And then there's the taquitos. Thanks for watching our quarantine diaries.